Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the oxyacids of the 6A group elements, part 8, chemistry second year, English medium. Today discuss about the oxyacids of the 6A group elements. Oxyacids means that the any type of oxide dissolved in water molecule to form of oxyacids. For example, sulfur dioxide dissolved in water molecule to form of a sulfurous acid H2SO3. It is also type of oxyacid. So here is the any type of oxide. Oxides means that the metal or non-metals react with the oxygen to form of a oxides, metal oxides or non-metal oxide. Those oxides are dissolved in water molecule to form of a oxyacids. Here is the oxyacids of the 6A group elements. In 6A group element, sulfur forming with the oxyacids. For example, sulfur dioxide dissolved in water molecule to form of a sulfurous acid. So here is the in 6A group elements, sulfur is the major element to form of the oxyacids. Next one, in sulfur oxyacids exist the sulfur bond sulfur. Sulfur bond sulfur, it is also type of series also called as a thioacid series. Thioacid series. In sulfur oxyacids exist the sulfur bond sulfur. It is also called as a thioacid series or thioacid because of sulfur bonding sulfur or sulfur linkage with the another sulfur atom. It is also called as a thioacid series. Thioacid series means that sulfur linkage with the another sulfur atom. So it is also called as a thioacid series. Thioacid series. Next, another one, sulfur exists at lower oxidation states. Sulfur exists at a lower oxidation states. Those acids also called as a acid series. Acid series because of in acid series sulfur central metal atom existence lower oxidation state. Lower oxidation states exist of the sulfur atom, so it is also called as a sulfurous acid series. It indicates the acid series. Because of here is the sulfur exists the or consists the lower oxidation state or lower oxidation number. So it is also called as a acid series. In acid series, those salts also called as a sulfates. Sulfur existence the lower oxidation states. So it is also called as a acid series. Sulfur existence of the lower oxidation states, those acids also called as a acid series. In sulfur acids, salts are called sulfates. Sulfur forming with the acids, those salts also called as a sulfides. Next, another one, sulfur existence the higher oxidation state. Sulfur central metal atom exists the higher oxidation states. Those oxidation states of the acids also called as a weak acid series. Weak acids. Sulfuric acid series, those salts also called as a sulfates. Because of in sulfur central metal atom exist the higher oxidation states, those acids also called as a weak acid. In weak acid salts also called as a sulfate, but acids also called as sulfides. Because of in central atom exist the lower oxidation states, so it is also called as a acids of the sulfur atom. Next, in central metal atom of the sulfur existence the higher oxidation states, it is also called as a weak acid series. Those weak acids of the sulfurs also called as a sulfates. Next another one, dioxides dissolve or soluble in water molecule to form of a acid. For example, sulfur dioxide, it is also called as a dioxide. Di means that there two oxygen atom react with the sulfur to form of a sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide dissolve in water molecule to form of a sulfurous acid. H2SO3, it is also called as a sulfurous acid. Next another one, trioxide. Tri means that the three oxygen atom react or combining with the sulfur atom to form of a sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide dissolve in water molecule or soluble in water molecule to form of a sulfuric acid. It indicates the weak acid series. Trioxides forming the weak acids, dioxides form with the acids. Sulfur dioxides dissolve in water molecule to form of a acid. But trioxide dissolve in water molecule to form of a weak acids. In top to bottom in 6A group elements, for example oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Top to bottom in 6A group elements, acid series and weak acid series order is the decreases. Because of top to bottom, atomic radius increases. So acid and weak acid series decreases to the top to bottom, that is the sulfur to tellurium. Here is the H2SO3 is greater than H2SeO3 is greater than H2TeO3. That is the order of the acid series. That is the decreasing order of the acid series in top to bottom. Remaining weak acid series order of the top to bottom decreases. Here is the H2SO4 is greater than H2SE4 is greater than H2TE4. That is the order of the decreasing order of the weak acid series of the sulfur atom. Top to bottom, here is the sulfur to tellurium, weak acid series order is the decreases. Because of top to bottom, atomic radius increases. So here is the top to bottom acid and weak acid series is the decreases. Next, sulfur forming with the 4 type of oxy acids. Those acid series are given below. That is the first one, sulfurous acid series. First one is the sulfurous acid series. That is also sulfurous means that the S double bond O. That is also known as a sulfurous acid series. Next one is the sulfuric acid series. It is also right that S double bond O, S bond OH. Next another one, no bond OH. That is also known as a sulfuric acid series. Here is the weak acid series. Next third one, thionic acid. Thio means that the S bond S linkage with the another sulfur atom. Sulfur linkage with the another sulfur atom. So that is also called as a thio. Thio means that the sulfur linkage with the another sulfur bonding with the another sulfur atom. That is also called as a thio or thionic acid series. Peroxo acid series. Peroxo means that the oxygen bonding another oxygen linkage with the another oxygen atom. That is also known as a peroxy acid series. In 6A group element, sulfur is the major element, so it is forming with the oxy acids. Sulfur forming with the 4 type of oxy acids. Those are first one, sulfurous acid series. Second one, sulfuric acid series. Third one, thionic acid series, and fourth one is the peroxo acid series. Those are first one, sulfurous acid series. In sulfurous acid series exists the 4 type of acids. That is the first one, sulfurous acid. Second one, thiosulfurous acid. Third one, hyposulfurous acid, and fourth one, no, pyrosulfurous acid. That is the acid series of the sulfurous acid. Next one, first series is the sulfurous acid series. In sulfurous acid series exist the another four type of acid series. Those are first one sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid is general formula H2SO3. That is the structure of S double bond O, bond OH, bond OH. Here is the 3 oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 2 hydrogen atom 1 and 2. Here is the sulfur is the central atom. Here is the oxygen oxidation state -2. Here is the -2. Here is the -2. -2, -2, -4, -2, -6. Hydrogen oxidation state +1. Another hydrogen atom +1. 2 hydrogen atom ki 2 hydrogen atom, 1 sulfur ki 1 sulfur. So here is the -6 +1 +1 +2. -6 +2. Here is the -4 turn to +4 oxidation state of the sulfur. That is the sulfurous acid. Central metal atom sulfur oxidation state +4. Second one, thiosulfurous acid. Thio means that the S double bond S. So that is also known as the thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid general formula H2S2O2. H2S2O2 it is also called as a thiosulfurous acid. It indicates the acids. That is the thiosulfurous acid. Here is the 2 sulfur atom S double bond S. 2 oxygen atom double bond OH, bond OH. 2 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen. So here is the oxygen oxidation state, sulfur oxidation state +4 or -2 oxidation state of thiosulfurous acid. Say third one is the hyposulfurous acid. Hypo means that here is the S link with the another sulfur, double bond O, double bond O. That is also type of linkages also called as a hyposulfurous acid. That here is the hyposulfurous acid formula H2S2O4. H2S2O4. 2 sulfur atoms, 4 oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 hydrogen 1 and 2. So here is the sulfur oxidation states +4 or +3. Here is the -2, -2, -2, -2, -8. Here is the oxygens 4 into -2 is equal to -8. Hydrogens +1 +1 +2. Here is the -6. Here is the 2 sulfur atom. 2x is equal to -6 or +6. X is equal to +. Here is the 6/2 is equal to 3. So sulfur oxidation state is the +3. Next one, pyrosulfurous acid. Pyrosulfurous acid formula H2S2O5. 2 sulfur atom, 5 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen atom. 2 sulfur atoms, double bond O, double bond O, bond OH, double bond O. 5 hydrogen oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen atom. So sulfur oxidation state is the +5 or +3. That is the first series of the sulfurous acid series. Sulfurous acid series exist the for another type of acid. That is the first one, sulfurous acid. Formula H2SO3, sulfur oxidation number +4. Thiosulfurous acid formula H2S2O2, sulfur oxidation state +4 or -2. Hyposulfurous acid formula H2S2O4. So here is the sulfur oxidation state, here is the +3. Next one, pyrosulfurous acid formula H2S2O5. That is the sulfur oxidation state to +5 or +3. That is the acid series of the sulfur. Next, second one is the sulfuric acid series and thionic acid series. Next one is the peroxy acid series. Next, second one, sulfuric acid series. Sulfuric acid series consists the 3 another sulfuric acids. Those are first one, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid indicate the ic acid series. That is also type of sulfuric acid. Formula H2SO4. Here is the 2 hydrogen atom, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen atom. So here is the sulfur double bond O, double bond O, bond OH, bond OH. 2 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Here is the oxygen state -2. 4 into -2 -8. Hydrogen +1, another hydrogen +1 +2. -6 turn to +6. So here is the sulfur oxidation state to +6. Next one, thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid, thio means that the sulfur linkage with the another sulfur atom, that is also called as a thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid general formula H2S2O3, 2 hydrogen atom, 2 sulfur atom, 3 oxygen atom. So here is the sulfur double bond sulfur double bond O, bond OH, bond OH. That is the structure of the thiosulfuric acid. Next one, pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid general formula H2S2O7. It is also called as a oleum. So here is the sulfur 2 atom 1 and 2, oxygen 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 hydrogen ki 2 hydrogen. So here is the sulfur oxidation state is the +6. Here is the 7 into -2 -14, hydrogen plus 2 into +1, here is the +2, here is the -12, 2x, x is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6, sulfur oxidation state to 6. Next third one, thio acid series. Thio means that the sulfur bond or sulfur linkage with the another sulfur, that is also called as a thio acid series. Dithionic acid. Dithionic acid general formula H2S2O6. H2S2O6. Here is the 2 sulfur atom, hydrogen 2 atom, 6 oxygen atom, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Each oxygen oxidation state is the -2. 6 into -2 -12. Here is the hydrogen +1 +1 +2. So here is the 2x. X is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Sulfur oxidation state 5e. Polythionic acid. Poly means that the number of sulfur atom. So here is the N. So here is the polythionic acid general formula H2SN+2. N is equal to number of sulfur atom and 6 oxygen atom, that is the polythionic acid. Here is the sulfur oxidation state is the 0. Next one, peroxy acid series is fourth one. Peroxy acid series means that the oxygen bond oxygen, that is also known as a peroxy acid series. First one is the those peroxy acid series are peroxy monosulfuric acid. Peroxy monosulfuric acid general formula H2SO5. It is also called as a caro acid. It exists the peroxy oxidation state. Here is the oxygen oxidation state -1 -1. So here is the oxygen bond oxygen. It is also type of peroxides. Next one, oxygen oxidation state -2 -2 -2. -2 -2 -4 -2 -6 -7 -8, -8 +2 -6. So oxygen sulfur oxidation state to +6. Peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid general formula H2S2O8. H2S2O8. That is also known as a peroxy disulfuric acid. Here is the S double bond O, bond OH, bond oxygen. Next one, bond oxygen, double bond O, bond OH, bond OH. Next one, double bond O. So here is the 2 hydrogen atom. Next one, oxygen atom 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 sulfur atom 2. So here is the peroxide type. It exists the -1 oxidation state. General oxide -2 -2 -2 -2 -2 -2. Here is the -6 -6 -12, -1 -1 -2. Here is the -14, -14 +1 +1. Here is the +2, here is the -12. So here is the 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. That is the sulfur oxidation state is the 6. Important of the peroxy monosulfuric acids, caro acid or Marshall acid. That is the oxidation state of the sulfur. Many number of type of asked in IP examination. Next another one, MZ question or NEET examination. What is the oxidation state of the peroxy disulfuric acid or Marshall acid? What is the oxidation state of the peroxy monosulfuric acid or caro acid? Then here is the sulfur oxidation state is the exists only +6 oxidation state. because of it exists the peroxy bonds, that is also called as a peroxy acid series, that is the oxo acids of the sulfur.